In this video, we are going to learn how to design this part by using this dimension data in AutoCAD 3D. So let's get started. So we taken a new file. So here for making this diagram, I will go with the side view of this diagram. So for that, I'll set this to right plane. Then we have total side beacons. This is 75, this is 50, and this is 12. So first I'll make this 75 distance line here, 75, and we'll zoom out. This UCS we can move from here. We type UCS icon, enter, and say no origin. So it'll be moved from the location. I'll draw one line here, 12 distance, and we draw a line of total 50. We'll join them. We'll copy this line, 25 distance, and then I'll copy 50 distance. We'll join the line from one intersection point to the next intersection point, and here also we'll draw the line from here to here, and trimming the extra line, and make them to be joined, J enter, as one object. Now here we have the total 12 distance downside. That triangle will create here 12, and draw this to be outward direction, and make them to be joined, and now trim all that. Now make them all to be joined, J enter. Now here we have this portion we have to create, so here also we'll make that on the top. So we have front, this is 12 distance front side, we'll make 12 distance, and we'll make 16 outside I have to make. So I'll just draw a 16 distance line from here, and we'll ready this line. Now we draw a straight line. So from the intersection we again join it and trim this portion. We'll join all this line, J enter. Now I'll hold shift button and rotate the screen so we can adjust in 3D. Now we'll extrude all the things one by one. Now first we'll select this outer sketch and make them to be joined as one part, J enter. So we'll extrude it, EXT enter. So total 63 I have to extrude it. I created that. Now let's extrude this portion. So EXT enter, we'll select this, extrude it, total 25. And I have to move it from this location. If you calculate, this is 63 minus 25, that 38 will become. So half will do from this point. 19 distance I'll move from that point. So I'll just try to pick from the corner and moving it to 19 distance. Now we'll subtract this portion with this part, so that is total 12. So we'll take Presspull command directly, and with that we can cut it directly 12 distance inside. Now we need to use this portion, so we can extrude it, EXT enter. So this total is 21, I'll take 21, and also we'll move from the corner this to be 21 distance. So now we have to subtract this part from that, so we'll take subtract command, SUB enter. We'll select this as the first part, enter. This is second part that we have to subtract. Now we can see the conceptual view, how it is created. Now we have to unite all the part. We type the command union, UNI enter. Select all the component, enter. So that is united. Now we can change the color of this. We'll select the object, go to property command, PER enter. From here we can take the color that we want to assign it and close the part. So this is how we have created this part. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.